In today's video, we're going to make our own Shea Butter and Honey Melt and Pour Soap and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is a great way to ensure your soap is made with only minimal and natural ingredients. Not to mention, it's super easy to make. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 double boiler, soap molds, 1 pound of melt and pour soap base, 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Shea butter is a deep moisturizer and supports against inflammation. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is antibacterial, antioxidant, and moisturizing. It opens pores, making them easier to unclog and cleanse. 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Beeswax is a moisturizer and has antibacterial properties. It also supports against inflammation. 1 teaspoon of your preferred essential oils. Chop up soap base into 1 by 1 inch chunks and place into a double boiler. Or you can use the bowl in the large pot filled with boiling water method. Do not boil the soap, just heat it enough to melt it. You can choose any base you'd like, but I recommend your melt and pour is made with natural and organic ingredients. Once the soap is melted, add the shea butter, beeswax, and honey, and continue to melt and blend all ingredients. If you want to add color, add it now. Ensure you keep mixing until all of the colorant has dissolved into the soap mixture. If you're going to add essential oils, let the soap mixture cool a little bit, then add 1 teaspoon of your desired oils. Add soap to soap mold. Place the soap in the fridge until hardened. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store soap in a cool and dark space. This recipe makes 5 to 6 soaps. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.